Welcome to Guarantee RV. My name is Kirk Blair. I'm going to show you this Wildwood bunkhouse. It's actually a 261 BHXL. It's an ultralight, it's an extra light. I'm going to show you a couple features on the outside we have going on. We got power tongue jack, dual propane tanks, and a spot for your batteries. This is all well-built unit. It's all there. It's actually a pre-owned piece as our inventory. Let's head down this side and I'll show you some stuff. So as you can see in the back side of this unit, it has a nice fold-down rack. You can throw some firewood on there or a generator. Usually they hold a few hundred pounds, and that way you have a spot for bikes or anything you want on there. You have a full-on awning down the side of it. It is a power awning. It does come out. You have outdoor speakers on the unit. You're going to have some power stabilization jacks on this guy. So this doesn't have the crank down ones. It does have a crank down fail safe to it, but it does have power jacks, which is a nice feature. Then we got storage. You can never have enough storage. I'm going to open that up for you. Big old bay underneath that back bed right there. You also have a front pass-through storage on this unit. Sneak by you there. Next to the switches here, you have easy access switches to extend or lower your stabilization jacks. Front pass-through storage. I don't know that that one actually goes all the way through, but you do have storage up under there. Let's go inside and check out the inside. So as you step inside this unit, you can actually see you have a nice couch right here that does jackknife down into a bed. So you have plenty of sleeping in this unit. You have your front bedroom and a curtain for privacy. So that we have your front bed, you have storage on either side. You also have the storage up top, which is really nice. You have a lot of places to store clothes or linens or whatever you need. As you make your way around, we got storage in an upper cabinet, your kitchen. You have a 3-burner stove, double sink, some drawers, your oven and your regular amenities, your fridge. You got a lot of amenities in the kitchen here. And then you have your rear bathroom. And as you make your way around to the left, you can see you have your bathroom with a tub and a toilet. And then you make your way to the left here and you have your bunk room, your bunk beds. This one is going to have like a queen as a bottom and a little twin up top, so you can have the kids back here. And then as you kind of come to the other side, you have more storage, and you have your big dinette table. It says a decent sized dinette that also makes into a bed. Several sleeping options. This is a pre-owned inventory. It's really clean and really nice. My name is Kirk Blair. I'm happy to help you with anything out here at Guarantee. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Please ask for Kirk Blair, Captain Blair, and I appreciate it. Thank you so much.